You're just one idea away from building a passive income machine that runs 24/7, powered entirely by AI. No products, no face, no problem. Here's how I'd build it from scratch today. If you want freedom, you need systems, not hustle. And the fastest way to build a system in 2025? AI. So let me break it down into 3 simple steps. Create, automate, monetize. Step 1, create. Start with a digital product. It could be an ebook, a Notion template, a faceless YouTube channel, or a digital course or checklist. Use ChatGPT to write your content. Use Canva or Midjourney to make it visually appealing. And yes, you can do all this for free or nearly free. Step 2, automate. Now you automate it. Set up a Gumroad or Payhip store. Connect it to a ConvertKit email funnel using AI written sequences. Then schedule content on socials using AI scheduling tools, or repurpose with tools like Opus Clip or Pictory. Everything runs in the background while you focus on scaling. Step 3, monetize. Here's where it gets fun. Sell your AI-made product. Add affiliate links inside the product or landing page. Use traffic from TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or blog content created with ChatGPT. One video can bring in thousands. One ebook can sell forever. This isn't a get-rich-quick gimmick, it's a get-free-forever system. Want a full walkthrough of each step? I'm building one right now. Subscribe and I'll guide you from zero to passive income, AI style.